Hi guys, welcome to the Sheikh Zayed Festival, a spectacular celebration of Emirati culture, heritage and traditions. And you can explore this great festival within just 10 dirhams. And let's explore. The Sheikh Zayed Festival was launched in 2007 to commemorate Sheikh Zayed's legacy and to promote Emirati culture and heritage. This festival held annually in Abu Dhabi for 3 months. The festival features a wide range of cultural events and performances, showcasing the rich heritage of the UAE, from traditional Arabic music and dance, falconry and camel racing. The festival offers a unique glimpse into Emirati culture. The Sheikh Zayed Festival is not just a celebration of Emirati culture, but also a platform for international participation and exchange. The festival features performances by artists and musicians from around the world, as well as spectacular fireworks displays. Sheikh Zayed Festival is also committed to community engagement and education. The festival offers a range of activities and workshops designed to promote Emirati culture and heritage, as well as to support education and community development. Visitors can also sample traditional Arabic cuisine and shop for handicrafts and souvenirs. Moreover, the Sheikh Zayed Festival features a unique and fascinating aspect, the Global Village or International Pavilions section, where different countries showcases their traditional houses, architecture and cultural heritage. Here is an overview of the international pavilions and traditional houses that can be found at the Sheikh Zayed Festival. United Arab Emirates Pavilion, a traditional Emirati house showcasing the country's rich heritage and architecture. The Saudi Arabia Pavilion is a replica of a traditional Najdi house featuring intricate stone carvings and ornate wooden doors. The China Pavilion is a replica of a traditional Chinese pagoda featuring intricate carvings, ornate furnishings, and traditional Chinese architecture. The Turkish Pavilion is a traditional Turkish house showcasing the country's Ottoman era architecture and cultural heritage.
I like Pakistan.
I love Turkey, to be honest. Thank you so much, brother.
We are friends. Every time.
The festival features a wide range of cultural events and performances, from traditional Arabic music and dance to falconry and camel racing. And let's enjoy this wonderful performance. The Indian Pavilion is a traditional Indian house showcasing the country's diverse architectural styles and cultural heritage. The Egyptian Pavilion is a traditional Egyptian house showcasing the country's ancient architecture and cultural heritage. Many other countries such as Yemen, Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, America, and Qatar also participate in the festival, showcasing their traditional houses and cultural heritage. The Pakistani Pavilion is a replica of a traditional Pakistani Haveli featuring intricate tile work, carved wood, and ornate furnishing.
I was from Argentina. Welcome to Science Festival. The Sheikh Zayed festival features a spectacular water display, which is a major attraction at the festival. Here are some details about the water display. The water display features a stunning laser and light show, with colorful beams and patterns dancing across the water. The display includes a series of fountains and jets, which shoots water high into the air, creating a mesmerizing display of water and light. The water display is choreographed to music and sound effects, which add to the overall drama and spectacle of the show. The display features large water screens which are used to project images and patterns, adding an extra dimension to the show. The water display covers an area of approximately 12,000 square meters. The display features over 10,000 water jets which can shoot water up to 100 meters high. The display uses high-powered laser projectors to create the laser and light show. The display features a state-of-the-art music and sound system which provides crystal clear sound and music to accompany the show. The water display shows are typically held in the evening, starting from around 8 p.m., and each show lasts for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. The Sheikh Zayed Festival is a vibrant celebration of Emirati culture and heritage and a testament to the UAE's rich history and traditions. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more videos.